Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to see why some Xbox PCs controller won't start after you change the datas. Well, I think the only reason why they don't want to start is because the bottom of your battery case was actually hosted by the previous variants. So what you need to do is get yourself a really small screwdriver that could go in and scratch the bottom of the battery case until the raster part is gone. Make sure I do that on both parts. And when you're done, put back the bearings. And then you put back the battery case on the controller. And let's see if this works or doesn't. Of course it does. And here we go. Yes, that's it guys. But if this doesn't work for you, make sure that some say that if you put a piece of paper on the battery case, you cover the middle part. I don't know how it's called. I'm just gonna call it that way. You put a piece of paper on here, and then you put back the battery case, and it should work for you. Okay. I think that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. But if you're native here, don't forget to like and put your comments down below. If you guys think that there are many ways, there's a ways to get this job done, do not forget to put your comment down below, and I get back to them whenever I can. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.